Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you can see well the screen of my phone on your computers. Finally, the time has come when I can reveal the secret of the test application made by ExaPP. So, all these applications have been made on our platform. A very important fact that it took no more than 3 hours to build up this application. This process is quick, easy, and very comfortable. I would like to present you two kinds of application. The first one is a business card, and the second is an internet shop. Just imagine you're a partner of ExaPP company, and potential customer ordered the application. He wants to use it as a business card. For example, he's an event organizer, something like weddings, birthday or corporate parties, conferences, and so on. If you open our application, on the first page, the owner of this business card can put here his picture or logo. Then we have 4 sections: bio, call me, my office, social network, for instance Facebook. The first section, bio, is an introduction, yourself part, kind of greetings to your customers. The section Call Me made for easier communication with your clients. If you will press the button, you can see the number and make a call straight away. The next section, My Office, is definitely the most interesting one, because with this option you can literally show your office in 3D, so your customers will get a feeling like they're actually inside, what is obviously very important for building up the partnership. Office can perfectly show you how the business goes in this certain company. Like this office on the picture, we can perfectly see business going very well there. The last 4th section is a social network. For example, in our case, if you will just press the button, it links straight to Russian website of Kontakte, which is pretty similar to Facebook. Here you can put any kind of network page, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. So, this 4th section you can manage in the most comfortable way for you. You are able to change names or order of section. Also, you can add some extra one like address, for example, or just remove some. It's all up to you. Now let's have a look to the main menu of this particular application. Here you can see a few sections: general information about you and your business, service, pictures, articles, feedback, contacts, videos. So let's have a detailed look on each of that. In the first section you can introduce yourself and your company. The second section is a service. Here the owner of this application able to tell the clients what kind of services the company provides. Also you can write down a price list, so it's going to look more like catalog, what is very comfortable for your customers. The next section is pictures. Here we can see some company's pictures. In this particular case, it's photo of event organizer, or for example, it would be some nail salon, mobile application. The nail artist could put here pictures of already finished manicure, or painter made his mobile application. So in this section he can put his drawings. It's unbelievably comfortable for any kind of company entrepreneur to show the final result to clients. The first section is articles, kind of like blog. In this particular section you can add some helpful articles for your clients. Let's come back to our event organizer. In his case, the best topics for articles would be something like how to choose the wedding dress, or how to choose the right place for a corporate party, and so on. In case of nail salon, the topic could be how properly to take care of your nails. Or this section is definitely one of the most important one. Your customers would be interested to come back here again and again. The 5th section is reviews. Here you can see feedback from all companies and clients that have already worked with you, like with our event organization company. So they wrote down here the review, comments about the event, how did it go, and so on. Or in case of hair salon, you can put here pictures of extremely happy clients with a new hairstyle and also write some comments about it. So the next one, the 6th section, is contacts. Here you can see a phone number again, and if you click the button you can call directly to the owner of this mobile application. Also, here is some other options. You can add messages or emails to this section. Both of that possible to do on ExaPP platform. And the last section is video. Here you can add some video presentation about what do you actually do. That you can show to your potential clients as an example. So for instance, in case of event organization company, you can put here videos of previous events done by your company. Or in case of hair salon, you can add some video lessons. For example, what are the best hairstyle for a birthday party and how to make it, or how to treat your hair right. So you can see the whole system is very comfortable and flexible. It's absolutely up to the owner how to use all this section. You can easily change names, orders, items. You're able to add extra section or remove some. Everything is possible to do on the platform of ExaPP mobile application. And also don't forget we have another great option like push notification. So whenever you've got sale, some special event or new collection, your customers will get notifications straight away. Now let's have a look to the second kind of application, online store. Imagine that the owner of the company called Byte wants to have this mobile application. He owns electronics store, by the way. So let's see what we can offer and what kind of application we can make for Byte company. On the top you can see the line for research in catalog. Almost all kinds of websites got the same one. It's pretty common. A little bit below, here advertising banners. Here the owner of this application may display some special offers to his clients, sales or new collection. Below that is catalog. We can click here and see the product catalog of the Byte company. As you can see, the catalog is divided into sections. You can choose for yourself. Laptops, TV and acoustic system, and so on. Everything is very clearly planned and divided accordingly. You can easily find what you are looking for. A little bit below, you can see the line of promotional products, what is very comfortable for customers because they can see straight away the product that they are currently on a good discount. So let's have a more detailed look on that. Here in this promotional line, it's very easy and comfortable to use. You can move these icons around. Let's choose one of these products to see how it works. For example, EliteBook HP. First of all, here you can send the item directly to your basket. If you click this button, in the upper right corner there is a mark which shows that one item is in your basket. Or in case you want 2, 3, 4 or 5 items and so on. Here below you can proceed to checkout immediately. After you press the checkout button, here is an application form which you can send directly to the owner of the store. Then he will calculate shipping and will offer you a particular payment system. Let's go back to our order. On this page you can also choose a color of laptop. Black, red or white are available for us. For example, I prefer a white one. You can call the consultant at the store and clarify the specification. Also, here is the description of the product and characteristic. Plus, here you can see a video presentation which shows all features of this laptop. At the bottom there are buttons Share and Favorites. If you press the first button, you can share the information about this laptop on your Facebook page or with Contact. If you press the right button, you will send this item to the category called Favorites in your application. So that was the first page. Let's continue exploring. Here also represented the most popular categories, in our cases laptops, TVs. Below that is a store locator. It's very comfortable because the application will show you the location of the store directly on the city map. Obviously, that would be way easier to find this Byte store for clients. They wouldn't get lost and wouldn't spend a lot of time to come here. Let's go back to the main page. Again, let me remind you that all of these elements are totally movable. So you can remove the line with promotional products or remove the line with popular products. You can even remove the store locator. As an owner, you are the one who decides how your internet shop should look like. And now the question is, what opportunities provide us this application? For example, you need to choose a laptop in this particular internet store. You press the product catalog, then laptops, and then let's press the Ultrabook section. And eventually you like the first laptop called Lenovo. So you send this item to the basket. Immediately this laptop appears in your application basket. Then you still keep looking for some other item, and as you can see, here is one item already in your basket. In case you have changed your mind and don't want to buy this laptop anymore, you can easily remove it. Now let's have a look to the other section. For instance, the section called Articles. Here, the owner of Byte company can share articles or helpful advices for his clients. For example, here you can see the article called How to Choose Scanner. And if you want to buy scanner right now, that would be very helpful for you. The next section is My Account. Below that is Login or Registration, then Basket. After that go the section called Favorites, where you can put your favorite items. And finally, My Order section. In this section, you can see all of your shopping history. And one more time, I want to show the store locator. The last section is Contacts. You are able to call here or write an email to the owner of Byte company. As you can see, all these great functions of online store are extremely comfortable. This test application contains all the functions which classic online store would have. In case you want to add some extra section, for example, feedback, there is no problems. On our platform, it's very easy to do. Or if you want to remove the article section, for instance. So basically this application perfectly suits for any kind of online store. It could be clothing store, then instead of laptops, TVs and scanner section, here would be outerwear, lingerie, gym clothes, and so on. Our ExaPP platform can make absolutely any kind of application for you. Soon on this page you will see some more items. That's gonna be very convenient for our partners to offer customers absolutely any kind of mobile application. Anyway, let's work together and we will be happy to develop your business and give you new opportunities for your career.